In a bid to look beautiful, sometimes we put things on our faces that we ain't supposed to put. In this special video, I'm going to be sharing 5 things that we think are okay sometimes to put on our faces, but we should never do that. Thank you. Welcome to Zara Niger. The first thing you should not be putting on your face is body moisturizers. Body moisturizers are made for the body. They can close your pores on your face and even make you develop acne or pimples. Please use face moisturizers for your face. The second thing to avoid putting on your face will be semen. Yes, we have some sperm facials these days. Some people say it is good because it contains some antioxidants. Please be careful what you put on your face these days because some of these sperms contain sexual transmitted diseases. Please be careful. And at number 3, what you should keep away from your face will be petroleum jelly. For the jelly part, yes. But for the petroleum part, wow. Please, this could cause closed pores on your face, making you develop some acne. So please keep away your face from petroleum jelly. And at number 4, we have bar soap. Bar soap, because of its lathering or foaming substance, bar soap is not good for the face. It can make your face dry. Please use bar soaps for your body, then use facial soaps for your face. And finally, the number 5 thing you should avoid putting on your face will be rubbing alcohol, especially as it is contained in some alcohol-based facial toners. Please avoid alcohol-based facial toners. They can make your face dry, or you can even develop some adverse effects. Please look for facial toners that are good for your face. There you have the 5 things you should never put on your face. Please share this video with your loved ones. There's a share button below this video. Just click on share and share it with your friends and family. They need to know this very important information. Thank you for watching Zara Niger. Please also scroll down to watch our other interesting beauty and hair care tips. Thank you.